Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Don't mind my voice, I am slightly ill, but who doesn't get ill in the winter? This is just all part of the Christmas vlog that I'm doing right now. As you can see, I've got some star-shaped lights behind me. I'm about to whip up some Christmas themed porridge. I am wearing Christmassy Minnie Mouse pajamas, I guess you could say. And we're gonna have a good time in this video. I will be vlogging over the next few days. I don't want to do vlogmas because ain't nobody got time for that. And also, my life is not that interesting for me to be vlogging every single day. So I thought, you know what? Let me just vlog for the few days before Christmas, whilst I'm getting up to some festive things. And I thought, let me take you guys with me so you can see how I prepare, how I celebrate. Just feel good vibes all around, you know? What could be better than that? So today is Thursday, the 20th of December, which means there are only 5 days left until Christmas, but you guys, unfortunately, will be seeing this once Christmas is over. So Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas. I hope you had a good time with your friends and family. And let's get this breakfast on the go because I'm hungry. So today's porridge is a Christmas themed porridge. We've got all the ingredients here, which I will go through in a second. But at the moment, the oats are just soaking in some boiling water. This is a new trick that I've discovered recently, which actually makes the oats a lot creamier once you put them in the pan. So I've got a couple of minutes left for that. Anyway, as for the toppings, I've got some dried cranberries, some currants, some flaked almonds, some crushed walnuts, some orange peel, and then I'm gonna add cinnamon, this coconut and almond butter, which is very, very nice, and honey, as well as some desiccated coconuts. So these are all the toppings. These will go on once the porridge is done. I'm gonna cook it in the pan in a second with this almond milk. I know this sounds a bit strange, but I'm also gonna add 1/4 cup of orange juice just because we have a sort of orange theme going on. This is the first time I've tried this, so we'll have to see how it pans out. No pun intended. Looking pretty damn creamy right about now, let me tell you. Look at that beauty. Absolutely lovely. Just finished a little bit of shopping. Got my last few bits of Christmas shopping in here. So I'm all done now, and as for this, I was just sitting having coffee with my friend, and some guy came up to us and asked us if this was ours because it was behind our seats, and we were like, no, and then I just took it. It's very pretty. It's got reindeers on it. You know, like when you need something but not desperately enough to buy it? That was me with my wrapping paper. I feel like I might be okay, but I'm not sure. But it was just a Christmas miracle. It just appeared. So, I'm all set now.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart. The very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I give it to someone special.
Hey guys, so it's Christmas Eve today and the Christmas preparations are well underway. I'm about to make some dessert for Tuesday and I'm also going to do some present wrapping. Let's get started. So for the chocolate orange cheesecake that I'm making, I'm going to do the biscuit base first. So I'm melting 150 grams of unsalted butter in here, and I'm going to add this to 300 grams of digestive biscuits. So now that that the biscuit base is in the tin, I'm just going to pop this in the fridge to chill for about an hour and do the rest of the cheesecake while it's in there. So I'm just mixing the icing sugar and the cream cheese together. This is obviously going to be the cheesecake filling along with some cream and the chocolate that I melted already. So now the chocolate, cream cheese and whipped cream are all coming together, and basically once this is done, it's going to go onto the biscuit base and chill overnight, and then I'll do all the decorating and stuff either tomorrow or on Christmas Day. So this is another thing that I'm making. It's these raw, no-bake gingerbread cookie dough bites. So I thought I'd do something more healthy and snacky as well. So at the moment, I'm starting off with the ground almonds and walnuts, and I'm gonna blend these until they're halfway to nut butter. And then we're gonna add some oats as well. So this is the sweetener. We've got treacle, maple syrup, not maple syrup, golden syrup, sorry. Cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg and cloves. And salt. So now we're basically gonna put this together with the nuts and the oats, which have been blended. And then that's basically it. You just roll the stuff into a balls rather, and then I'm gonna drizzle them with white chocolate afterwards. So the mixture is well and truly clumped together. Look at that. If you guys can smell this right now. Merry Christmas, guys! So obviously it's Christmas Day. I know I didn't vlog yesterday on Christmas Eve, but that was only because I was at work for literally the whole day from 9:30 till 10 at night. It was really fun though, it was really good vibes. We're just getting ready now. We're gonna go to church to celebrate the real meaning behind Christmas. Jesus is the reason for the season, people. And then we're gonna come back and get started on the festivities. I've got my Rudolph jumper on. Realistically, we're just gonna be chilling at home. You know, Christmas is a time for just being sociable, being chill, being lazy, eating a lot of good food, being thankful for what you have.